How many students know how to problem solve? How many adults know how to problem solve? How many people run up against the wall when they can't figure out how to do something, ask for something another angle, and go, can you help me? Or how many people just say, this is stupid, I ain't doing this? I say to the kids, hey, put your name on the paper, and 2 kids raise their hand and say, can you help me? It's your name, all right? But they just don't know sometimes how to go about things. If I say you can't have 15 kids at the sand table and kids argue with me, well, I'm going to let 15 kids go to the sand table in kindergarten, and see what happens. And they're all going to realize what? 15 kids don't fit at the sand table. Or I could go about structuring it to where only, 4 kids at this station, 3 kids at this station, 2 kids at this station, which is all fine and good. Saves me a lot of work, doesn't it? But I haven't helped them to problem solve. So now every aspect of their life is, where's the number on how many people should be in line? Where's the number on how many people should be asking for this at the same time? Why am I in the line at the grocery store with 50 items, 50, when the sign says 15 or less? All right? So I want you to think about whether if we continue to not allow them to solve their problems and we structure everything for them, they're never going to learn. I call it the Velcro sneaker syndrome. I don't have time to teach you how to tie your shoes. I'll just throw some Velcro at it. So that's called over-accommodating and under-instructing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.